airplanes, huh?
Ya saben. Aquí observamos que están
Taking the runway out to your right at the intersection. The B-51 Mustang, the Cadillac of the skies during World War II. And right behind that, the B-25 Panchito. We'll tell you more about them once they get in the air. What I'm going to do right now is shut up and let you listen to that incredible engines, the incredible engines on both these airplanes. A big difference. The P-51 is a V12 liquid-cooled engine. The V-25 is two 2,600 cubic inch radios of 14 cylinders each, and they're air-cooled. So just listen to this and watch. I'll shut the heck up. And coming up next, the original Panchito served with the 396th Bomb Squadron of the 41st Bomb Squadron, 7th Air Force, stationed in the Central Pacific. This is Larry Kelly of Ragwings and Radios in an airplane that is its namesake.
Wow.
This is a J model B-25. He'll be the first one making passes. Was made too late to see action during World War II and instead was used for various duties by the then new U.S. Air Force Training Command from 1948 to 54. The following year it was converted to a TB-25N and started service with various Air National Guard units as a trainer till its retirement in 58. A civilian bought it in 59. It was first a fire bomber, then a mosquito sprayer in Florida. In 1986, it was meticulously restored to original World War condition by a highly respected warplane rebuilder Tom Riley in Kissimmee, Florida. New owners in Texas put the Panchito markings on it. After that, it was owned for a time by Rick Korf, who then lived in Niagara Falls, but later moved to Florida. Now, Larry Kelly, who's flying the airplane today, already owned an award-winning and perfectly restored DC-78, but he found he wanted something more personal and faster. So, he called Tom Riley in 97, found out Panchito was for sale, and he was the proud new owner by the following weekend. Says one of the hardest parts of learning to fly the B-25 is mastering taxiing, because you steer the free-castering nose wheel with the brakes. Some have called that the conga, others dubbed it the Baghdad dance. Larry says he first felt Panchito's nose wheel was absolutely and totally possessed. Larry and his crew always dress in authentic uniforms from World War II, travel to many air shows each year, always humbled by veterans who actually flew the Mitchells in combat. They'd love to have them stop by, share their stories. Former crew members also get to put their signatures on a dummy 500-pound bomb that's mounted in the plane. Hundreds of signatures there already. They also have hats, pins, shirts, and patches on sale at the airplane, all with the Panchito logo. Now then, off to the right. Here comes the B-25J Mitchell to show you what the Japanese would have faced on a fateful day on April 18th, 1942, when Jimmy Doolittle and 16 of these B-25s attacked Japan at a time that he thought they couldn't be attacked. So I want you to listen to the sound and the power of 3,400 horsepower. Believe it, it's the sound of freedom. Now then, as Panchito makes its turn back to Show Center, the crew's getting set, that is, to show you the business side of the Mitchell bomber. If you've got a camera, be prepared to zoom on the open bomb bay and see the full load of 500-pound general demolition bombs. After Panchito lands, be sure to go by and look at the bomb bay to get a closer look at the bombs, covered, as we said, with the signatures of dozens of World War II combat B-25 crew members, including 18 of the Doolittle Raiders. They've stopped by and visited Panchito and Cheeto as it tours the country. Here comes the pass. Watch for the open Bombays on the bottom of the airplane.